Good morning. Well, I don't know if it's morning when you watch this video, but anyway, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who? Back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. Guys, today we're actually taking Red here to get my new Morimoto Headlights PPF, actually by my guy David over at TriTech Window Tint. And guys, if you're looking for tint in the DFW area, bro, definitely go check out TriTech. You won't be disappointed, bro. Great work. I mean, I'm talking about guys, they do supercars. Mainly a lot of supercars, trucks, PPF, like full PPF paint protection on like the self-healing stuff, like pretty much the whole nine. Here's Queen right here, as y'all can see. Actually, guys, y'all gonna kill me. I haven't driven Queen in a week. I have driven Red every day this week, and Queen literally has been sitting. So I did it on purpose because I knew Red is gonna be going away for a few days. They do need to keep her in order to do this. So Queen will be getting a lot of work. If you haven't watched my last video, I did get my Morimoto headlights here. Painted to match by Gold Standard Lighting. Guys, they came out amazing. So this is pretty much me in protecting my investment, because what happens with these Morimotos, they or just headlights in general, over time the heat gets on them and they start to like turn yellow, that oxidation or whatever. So we're going to get them PPF'd. A lot of you all recommended that to protect it, especially here in Texas. The heat is crazy in the summertime, and I'm talking it's just gonna be beaming on them, you know. So yeah, we're gonna get these PPF by David and his team, and yeah, it is gonna require me, like I said, to drop the truck off. But anyway, yeah, they came out great, so I just want to make sure we have these as long as possible. But with that being said, let's go ahead and give y'all a cold starter red. It's not really cold, bro. It's like freaking 80 degrees today in Texas, like 75 or something like that. So it was literally the other day, it was like 50s, 20s, and now today it's like 75, and tomorrow I'm supposed to be back in the 50s, and then all week of Christmas, which y'all may see this video, it's supposed to be like mid 70s, close to 80s, bro. Anyway, here we go. Let's get ready to cold start for y'all. I love the way the turbo sound on that thing, man. But Red is also back on the 12 wides. Like I said, I've been driving on the 14s or over there. Also, guys, I got a leveling kit. If you're interested in the leveling kit, they came off Queen here. I do still have it here for sale. If I ship it, you're gonna have to cover shipping. If you're local to DFW, hit me up. We can talk about it. A GT4 RS? Hold on. Let me hop out and get this real quick.
How are you?
I'm good, bro. How you doing?
Good.
I ain't never seen a GT4 RS before.
Yeah.
Jesus, that thing is nasty. I didn't know they made a GT4 RS.
Yeah, they do.
Holy sheesh. What y'all do to it?
So this has full body 10 mil PPF.
Okay.
So 10 mil, like 10 millimeter thick.
Ooh,
so it's
okay.
just the thickest film you can get.
Full body.
Full body.
Even hood?
Yeah, everything.
Dang.
Every piece of paint.
Wow.
Then we double layered in some spots because
Yeah.
we track the cars. So just an extra sacrificial piece.
Gotcha.
We did the windshield tint, windshield protection, ceramic coated the whole car.
Okay.
With the 8-year coating, premium V2. Ceramic coating the wheels off with the calipers.
Yeah.
They're actually center locks too, so we can do those here too.
Wow.
So it's just one bolt holding the wheel together.
Oh, is it this one? Just that?
Yeah, so that takes 450 pounds of torque.
Damn. Jesus. This thing is beautiful, bro.
How's it
What's
going?
going on, boss? My bad. You got something delicate in your hands.
So this is this, basically.
Okay.
This is a 718 chassis.
Okay.
And then,
Yeah.
then they just put like all the aero stuff, the carbon ceramics, buckets, and a GT3 engine.
Ah,
what
okay.
makes it
Okay.
The GT4 is.
Okay. And this is Luna. What'd y'all do to this one?
PPF,
Okay.
tint, and windshield protection.
PPF tint and windshield protection. Okay. Full PPF?
So they got a track pack with the rear quarter panels and the
Okay.
carbon.
Goodness, this thing is beautiful, man. Oh my goodness. I watched her YouTube video and she said like the wheels were like, how much she said they were, like 20 grand,
Yeah,
I think.
it's like a $20,000 option.
I mean, guys, this thing is fully specced out. And I put a YouTube, Instagram, y'all go check it out. But gosh, this thing is beautiful, bro.
This is actually the most expensive car here, believe it or not.
Is it?
This
What is this?
$450,000 to $500,000.
No shit.
This is a Turbo S 50th anniversary.
Oh wow. Okay. 911 Turbo S? Wow.
So this is the 992.
992. Oh, look at this. Is this factory? Dang.
I believe it's called like a Heritage.
Yeah. Okay. It is nice.
Full body PPF.
Okay.
Take off all these decals. He's
Yeah.
gonna go for a clean look.
Okay.
And he's gonna get gold HRE wheels. later on.
Ooh, hey, them gold wheels gonna look good on
Gonna
it.
match the
Yeah, it's gonna match real good on that. Yeah, you got a nice black Widow. What y'all do to that?
full tint.
Full tint? Okay, nice. Is it PPF? It looked like it, shining like it.
So it's probably just ceramic coated.
Okay. Oh, ceramic coating. Okay, yeah, that's what I meant.
The RHO.
Oh yeah. Okay, RHO. Now y'all got some stuff in here, some heat.
Another thing we did a while back.
Okay.
Just warranting the mirrors. We popped a little bit, so we're just taking care of them.
Okay.
2 matte stealth PPF jobs, McLaren 720 and the C8.
Z06 or just C8?
No,
Just C8.
just
Just C8.
Stingray, I think.
Okay, Stingray. Nice, still nice. You got another man. Y'all busy, dude.
Yeah.
Man, y'all got stuff coming in left and right.
Because next week's the Christmas.
Yeah.
So this is trying to keep it
Okay.
a little thin.
Man, that's 370Z? Or that thing is clean.
370Z. So
Yeah.
that actually has the T-Spec. If y'all know about GTRs, the GTRs has a T-Spec, which they're retailing like 100,000
What?
for stickers. That's the same color. So if
Wow.
you look at it, it shifts between green and purple.
Yeah. I couldn't tell if it was green. I'm like, the green or black? I couldn't tell. That's crazy. And then you got a
991.2 GT3 RS and paint to sample Miami blue.
Oh man, my bad.
Buckets, carbon PCCVs,
Goodness.
everything.
And it's got that one bolt wheel thing you was telling me about?
Center locks.
Bro, what is all of this? I can only imagine how much something like that costs to replace.
Just to replace the rotors is like 50 grand.
Oh my goodness. So they say make sure you can afford the car and everything else. That's what they mean. That is crazy. This thing is beautiful. Man, y'all got some heat in here right now. Some heat. They got some heat. Y'all come check them out, guys. TriTech, man. The trucking window tinting. They do it all here. Trust me, they go take care of you. Look at this big ass wing. Goodness gracious. Oh yeah. The M3. I've been seeing. Whose is it?
Mine.
That's yours?
Uh-huh.
This motherfucker's sweet, bro. I saw it. I was like, dang. Bro, these cars, like, everybody getting them now. Like, they sweet, bro. This thing is nice. The color is perfect on this thing. What is it? What we looking at?
So
I hope the wind don't cut the mic. You know, what you say?
So it's a 26 M3 Competition X Drive. It's an individual Borusan Turkish blue. So I spec'd it out. I went in there like March of last year. Didn't get to order till June 1st. And they didn't get here till December 1st.
Dang,
Yeah.
it's like 6 months?
Yeah. It's
Goodness.
based off allocation, so I got lucky with my guy. He's been at Sewell BMW.
Okay,
now.
yeah, so,
Yeah, he hooked me up.
Goodness.
Allocation.
Oh, the interior. Oh my goodness. Bro, this is nasty, dude.
Yeah.
This is fucking hard. This is probably one of the most beautiful interiors I've seen on a car.
Drive it?
I can drive it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, for
You
sure.
hop on, bro.
Okay. I actually didn't plan to do this today. I really thought I was gonna just drop and get up out of here, but we finna go ahead and drive this joint. That was my water bottle. Get out my pocket. Can I put that right here?
Go ahead.
Oh. What? Oh yeah. Where is it at? To start?
bottom.
Right here?
Yeah.
Expand.
Oh, you got that joint. Yeah, I need one of those. Yeah, you need one of those. Holy bro, look at the interior. Y'all go follow my guy, bro. I'm gonna make sure. Goodness gracious. Bro, I don't even know what I'm doing.
So you can just go and drive.
Oh.
That's already good. Just
Okay.
turn around because it's a dip there.
Yeah, I'm about to say.
Just go.
Just go through
just
here?
go through there. Yeah.
I'm scared. Is it low? It's gonna rub, scrape your bumper or anything?
Nah, just it's a little low. It's still
Okay.
stock height. Still the front's a little higher than the back.
Yeah.
And you just take a left.
I'm scared to drive. I ain't been this low in a minute, man. I'm scared. I'm like, I don't want to scrape your bumpers or nothing. You know what I'm talking about. The
Yeah.
splitter or nothing like that.
Yeah.
Bro, this is a nice ass car. This is a nice ass car, man. How many miles you got on
Not even 100.
Wow.
So it has a 1200 mile break-in.
Okay.
So just we'll keep it under 5,000 RPM, and we should be good.
I'm so scared to drive it. I don't know why, bro. I'm like, I do not want to mess this man's car up, dude. And I'm so used to my dang truck.
Yeah.
Okay. And you said I can get on a little bit?
So you put it on the M2 button?
M2. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Just press it in?
Yeah. So it's going to be paddle shift.
Okay.
So the paddle is
right here?
Right here.
Okay.
And then you can just help.
Oh my goodness, hold on. I scared the shit out of me. I shifted early. Hold on, I got scared, bro, and I saw this car too. Oh, bro, that's so much power.
Yeah.
Dude. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Bro, how much horsepower and torque this thing got?
530, but it's all-wheel drive.
Jesus Christ. It scared me. I'm gonna be real. Like, I got scared. Like, it really scared me, bro. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Bro, thank you so much for this experience. Oh my goodness, dude. Bro, I know you can't keep your foot out of this thing.
Yeah, it's so hard.
Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, congratulations. This is a beast, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. God, that was one of the best experiences I had in my life. Oh, my goodness. Thank you so much for letting me do that, bro. You good on that. Gosh. I missed the speed. Cause, you know, I rode motorcycles. I missed speed for sure. One day we'll get back in something, but man, bro, congratulations, dude. Hell yeah. How much did this go for?
I expected 99.
You might keep me on camera or no? Yeah. 99. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's worth it. It's worth it, bro.
I expected higher with buckets,
yeah,
the ceramic brakes and all the carbon, but
man, bro. Oh, congratulations again. That thing is freaking nuts. I just want to show y'all this 370Z right here. The color is like shifts, is what he was telling me. It's green. Sorry, guys. Oh no, it's like green in the like daytime, like you see, and then it turns to like black. But this thing is freaking clean. 370Z. The wheels cool. That bronze, yeah. Red calipers on it. I'm telling y'all, bro, at TriTech, they got some stuff up here. They always gonna have some cars, bro. Ooh. Man, I'm telling y'all, come see them. TriTech Windleton is nice. Well, they be having some trucks coming through here. Sheesh. I'm telling you guys, y'all come to TriTech, bro. They go get you right. It's the reason you see the cars you see here in the parking lot, because they go take care of you, bro. Like, it's high quality service, high quality material, and it's windy out here. I apologize, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all definitely come check out TriTech, TriTech team out here in Garland. Yeah, man. All right, guys, so I'm here picking up the truck from TriTech. Here, got my guy George. Go tell me what we did really quick. So what we do, you can't even tell nothing on there, honestly.
So we did Expo Ultimate Plus.
You mind coming on this side, bro? Just for the light, if you don't mind. Yeah, better light it. So
we did Expo Ultimate Plus paint protection film on the headlights.
Yep.
So this paint protection film not only protects it from rock chips and scratches, and it self-heals and gets against minor scratches.
Oh, okay.
It has a UV protection coating as well.
Okay.
That way they don't get yellow and bake like
like
your previous ones.
Yeah, for sure.
So they're protected for both.
Okay, nice. So you said it has scratch protection film on here too.
So you can scratch this up, and the sun is gonna bake it. It's self-healing with heat. So hot water, the sun. The engine bay, sometimes it gets hot. Yeah. And it can not here, but like on the hood. Yeah. It can self-heal.
What? So I can throw some hot water on this and it'll self-heal?
Yeah, we can scratch it with something and then pour hot water and then self-heal.
Oh, that's dope. I ain't know it did all that. I thought we just put like a protection film on there, but it's like that. Okay, cool. And you can't even see it. That's why I dig that. Yeah. And visibility. It's clear, of course, but I don't have to worry about visibility.
Yeah, we try to get it as far in as possible. That way, it's seamless to the eye.
Okay.
Sometimes on complex body parts like this, you will see a little bit. Yeah. But try to hide it as much as you can. That way it looks original. Yeah, it does, man.
Cool. I appreciate it, man. Y'all come check him out, George. TriTech window. Y'all see, they always got some up here. You got a freaking, that's a Porsche. What's that? A Cayenne. And I ain't never seen this. This is real nice. This is sweet. That's sick. I like that. That's real good.
full front PPF.
Okay.
And then that whole top is black PPF. So this color now.
That's color PPF
yeah,
now.
Yeah, they don't do that's vinyl is kind of like the old thing now. Especially in Texas, it doesn't last. It's about a year and then it starts like cracking.
What?
Baking onto the paint and it just destroys your paint if you leave it on there for a long time.
Wow, so they have color PPF and I had no idea. This is clean. This customer truck or one of y'all's?
One of ours.
Okay, yeah, this thing is clean.
Yeah, so
I really like that.
Polyurethane film is what PPF is.
Okay, okay, nice, man. Well, I appreciate you, bro, as always, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too, bro. I guess since we're here, I go ahead and get y'all, I guess not really a cold start, but Red looking clean, man. But I'm telling y'all, you see some of the cars here, like, Red be looking old. Anyway, let's get you a cold start. Truck, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I do say so myself. She's a good looking truck, bro, for sure. So, anyway, guys, yeah. I think that's gonna wrap the video up. I don't think I got nothing else coming from this video, to be honest with y'all. Y'all heard George what we just did, so we got them headlights protected now. I ain't gotta worry about them fading, you know. So yeah, you know, basically protecting our accent, pretty much what we did. Oh, that's my Uber driver. He's still over here. Have a good one, sir. That was my Uber driver. I thought he was gone already. Damn, this bus coming fast. All right, let me get out the way, guys. Anyway, I'll catch y'all next video, baby.